more important.
Exactly. States are the president's constituency. The whole
All right, gentlemen. All right, gentlemen. Let's move straight to our third and final story. It is said that nobody is above the law, and this must be seen to be done rather than mere rhetoric. The Chief Magistrate Court, Wuse Zone 6, Abuja, has issued a bench warrant for the arrest of blogger Martins Vincent Ose, popularly known as Verydarkman, for criminal defamation of the reputation of a gospel singer, Mercy Chinwo. The magistrate ordered the Nigerian police and other law enforcement agencies to arrest Verydarkman and produce him in court to answer to the criminal allegations leveled against him. Magistrate Emmanuel Inyana issued the bench warrant when Verydarkman failed to appear before the magistrate, following a court summons on the 5th of March for him to do so. Though Verydarkman's lawyer, Deji Adeyinju, appealed to the magistrate to rethink the bench warrant and that he would personally produce his client in court, Inyana rejected the appeal and insisted that Verydarkman be produced in court by security agencies. Bikio, your thoughts on this matter?
Yes, and the Mercy Chinwo's lawyer, led by Henry Eniotu, prayed the court to restrain Verydarkman from further posting, publishing, sharing, circulating, disseminating, or broadcasting any information, statements, or comments against her on social media. As far as the judge is concerned, the demand made by Mercy Chinwo's lawyer was a valid one. And the judge said it is hereby ordered as follows: that the defendant and respondent VDM is hereby restrained, either by himself, his servants, privies, cohort representatives, or any person deriving authority from the defendant from further posting, publishing, sharing, circulating, disseminating, or broadcasting through any social media platform or any electronic means any information, statement, or comment whatsoever in respect of or against the claimant, in this case, Mercy Chinwo, on any issue pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. So the court fixed March 25 for hearing. Hopefully, on that day, the Adeyinju will be able to produce his client. But judges don't like a situation in which you're supposed to show up in court and you don't show up. They take exception to it. And if you acquire that kind of reputation, you are not going to find it easy with the Nigerian judiciary, because the judiciary does not want to be disrespected. When they issue an order, they expect that the order will be carried out. So, hopefully.
But in this matter, he who alleges must prove. Verydarkman, does he have facts to back most of the things?
I saw a post that he made 2 days ago or so. I never lose. He said, let them bring it on, I never lose.
Oh.
What you say? But for me, I think people, if he thinks he will just get popular by slandering people, this is not how to go about it. Because people are calling it like a Robin Hood, a Robin Hood type of activism. This is not how it's done. For me, I just think that he wants to be popular at all costs. Even using
he's popular already.
Where that's where he started from. But using the wrong.
Retain his popularity.
But again,
and he wants to see the seen as a crusader.
That. Yes.
You know, there are some things that he does that I like. And interestingly, even my children.
Yeah, they're calling people out and all that.
Following him. I was surprised to know that my first son, who is the
one that graduated.
Yes, probably the calmness person in the house is following him. You see, many people are unhappy about the state of affairs.
Yeah, well, how people just do things.
So they see Verydarkman as somebody who opposes a lot of the wrongdoing in our country. and a lot of young people, they are gravitating to his
Especially
side.
on the issue of
But he doesn't also spare those young people.
No, he doesn't.
For example, somebody posted one nasty video. One guy, and Verydarkman said, if Nigeria were to be a sane country, by now they will have taken that daughter of yours away. Because how can you post something where it appears like your daughter is touching your crotch? How can your daughter be touching your crotch?
Which is
so I like that. I like his intervention, and he too has been disappointed in a number of places, like when he fought for that boy that the House of Reps member beat up.
Yeah, we want to beat up, exactly.
But the guy ended up
going behind that to collect the money.
So Verydarkman must have felt that. Look, I fought for this guy, but look at it. So this is Nigeria. He has to realize that the more he slanders people, the more they will come for him, the more they will sue him. So I don't know how much energy or financial wherewithal he's got to be able to absorb all of these court cases coming, because there are so many. You know, the father and the have their cases. So he has to then change his style. You can still make,
that's why I mentioned
you can still make your point
without slandering people. Yes, people, exactly. You don't,
on this program, we criticize people. We speak strongly
we call them out,
about some bad things that people are doing. We call people out. But we do not attract litigation.
Because we don't slander.
Yes, because we do it with common sense.
We have facts and not.
So this is it. He has to.
I think, exactly. He need a remodeling. Because, you see, fame is difficult to acquire fame, but once you acquire it, how to remain relevant is the most challenging aspect of it. Because that's why you need people who are spokespersons, people who are your image makers. What he needs now, and then I have no problem with Adeyanju. Adeyanju, for me, may not be the best person that will help.
Because they are
on the same WhatsApp group.
They are both activists.
They are on the same WhatsApp group. So I think it's somebody who understands how, somebody who knows the public, public persona, somebody who can clean you up. When they see him, they see the respect and all that. So Verydarkman can hide behind that kind of person. But not somebody who is an activist, and then also, come on, he's not going to work for him.
But there are some persons who just love to bask in controversy.
And but what we are saying is that
controversy just being the news, whether for the right or wrong
either in the short run or in the long run, it has its. Okay, permit me to even digress as an aside to Portable. Portable thrives on some of these things, controversies and all that. But the other day I learned that he said,
oh, they dealt with him.
So a time will come to soon, it will soon that person.
No, that's what I'm saying. You see, he's lucky because the wheel of justice grinds slowly. In our country.
Slowly.
And some of these court cases against him, resolution may not come until much months later. Yes.
And it will do a damage to his own reputation if he has any.
If we were in a situation in which the judicial system is not as whimsical as we have now, today. Honestly,
by now,
we will not be able to cope.
Exactly.
Because there are so many cases.
Too many cases.
People would not take kindly to being abused.
Exactly.
You've not heard from them, you just abuse them. And you have tremendous following. So you've damaged such people in the eyes of the world. So
is he even aware of the cybercrime act? Is he even aware of it?
That is why I'm saying that he needs somebody who should sit him down and clean him up and let him know that, look, there are no-go areas.
Yes, good lawyers who are very good in, what is it called?
Image making.
Not just image making, but the
thought.
On libel.
Okay.
On
libel.
Exactly. They will look at all the windows and all that.
Like, don't cross, don't do.
Exactly. Always tell you.
All right then.
Because the nation needs.
Yes.
Do you know that many people would rather go and report a matter to Verydarkman
instead of going
go to police station?
Exactly.
Because they believe that once he calls that person,
he will go and then listen.
All right, gentlemen. It's a fine place for us to leave it. Oh, how time flies when we talk Nigeria. Charles,
Thank you.
Appreciate you as always. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Prince.
Yeah,
The civilian general.
He's a prince. Prince for 1 billion like that. 1 billion.
If my dad hears recording this,
When I told your sister, I said, it's 1 billion. 1 billion.
Thank you so much for having this conversation.
Thanks.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
And that's all on Journalist Hangout this week. You can watch the repeat broadcast of this episode tonight at 11. Join us on Sunday from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. for Journalist Hangout on Sunday. We are on YouTube at youtube.com/TVC News Nigeria. I am Benga Oreshogun. Bye for now, and God bless Nigeria.